So similarly, if we wanted to look up a baby boy's head circumference, and the head circumference is an important measure of brain development, um, and that's going to also give us some indication on growth. Okay, so this one is for head circumference for age and also weight for length percentiles. So again, if in a case I'm going to give you information about a baby, it's important to first recognize if they are a boy or girl. It's important to choose the correct age, and then it's important to choose the correct growth chart. Okay, so if I have a head circumference at 12 months, a head circumference of 17 inches, I'm going to find this 12 here. And then I'm going to move over here. Oh, and this baby's got a big head. Okay. Or excuse me, a small head. So the baby's under the 5th percentile. Maybe because at 12 months, maybe they're a preterm baby. And remember, it's going to take them to 2 to 3 years to catch up. If this child has consistently been at the 5th percentile, it's not as big of a concern as if the child has consistently been at the 50, the 25, the 75, and then suddenly we start to see a drop in these trends. That's really what these growth charts are for, not to freak out about one reading that's out of range, but to look at the trends. We want them to follow this path and not have a set of outliers that could indicate that there is some nutritional or growth or medical issues going on. Okay. Now, many of the facilities that you work at will have these things done electronically, so you don't have to worry. You put in the child's um, age, and then you'll put in their head circumference, and it'll tell you the percentage and their past history of their percentages. But many times, especially here in Milwaukee County, we're doing work in community agencies or free and reduced clinics that just don't have the technology or the capacity to support those types of programs. So oftentimes we're charting children on these paper copies. So it's a good idea to be familiar with how to use these. These are available on the CDC. You can also save these to your hard drive or jump drive so you have them. All right, so energy needs, the needs are varying widely. The front cover of your chart will list the RDA for calories, protein, carbohydrate, fat, fiber, all the nutrients. Um, for age and sex, but approximate energy needs, we're looking at about 800 calories a day. Your book talks about 100 calories per kilogram of body weight. So again, if we are looking at, let's say, a 7-pound, 14-ounce baby, we need to convert that into kilograms. Okay, so that would be 3.24 kilograms, and then we multiply that by 100, and that 7-pound, 14-ounce baby needs 325 calories. Okay, now a 7-pound, 14-ounce baby is the standard size of average size of a baby at birth. So you can contrast those 325 calories with the calorie needs of a 1-year-old. Okay, and again, this question is asked on your math packet, so now might be a good time for you to pull that out and complete the infancy math questions. Brain growth, again, this is why routine measurement of head circumference is done. Birth to 18 months is a period of fastest growth for brain. It is difficult to measure the effects of nutrition on intelligence. Is this, baby was born into a naturally intelligent family, or baby was read to, um, a lot of focus was given on, all right, Walter, it's just a bird. A lot of focus